Hi guys, today we are going to see what is JVM field in Kotlin. Okay, so basically we have a Kotlin data class named person. It has a property called name and age. Okay, so what we want to do, so if we want to access this person class in our main function, for example, we want to access it from our main function, then 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 we have val pr person equal to pr person, and we have name equal to name and age equal to 25. Okay, 24. Okay, fine. So if we want to access the person dot age, we can access it. We want to person dot name, we can access it easily. It is fine. So but if we want to access it from a Java file, main, okay, public starting point main. Okay, if we want to p person equal to pr person equal to new person, so we have to pass name equal to name and column equal to be 12h. Okay, fine. So if we want to person dot, we want to access the name property of this, then it will give us a compilation error that it is not have any name property. So let's see what happen if we make convert this file to Java. For this we have to compile write code, decompile the code, and when we see that, what is happening is this in this class is that it is basically created a person class, and it is write our own getters. And for example, if I make this val to a var, then var then it will going to write all the getter name and setter function for us. Okay, so basically it is write the getter and setter function for us. It has their own constructor. It has a component 1 and component 2, and it has all those data class toString method. It has their own hash code method, and it has their own equal to function, so that when we want to access the name property, for example, if we want to access the name of the function and the age of the function in the Kotlin class, Kotlin file, then it will find we can directly call that name and age directly without any get name or set name function. Okay, but if we want to access this from a Java file, then it will going we have to call get age and get get age and person dot name get name from the we have to write this. So for example, if we want to don't write it, okay, if you want to don't write it and we want to access it in Kotlin way, so what we can do in this case, so basically we can make it this this variable to be a JVM field, make it a JVM field. Okay, when we make it a JVM field, then when we going to see the in the Kotlin code, so it is basically okay, when we see the JVM field, we are going to see the name. Okay, yes, so it is basically okay, yes, okay, fine. So when we didn't make it a JVM field, for example, in this example, we didn't make it we didn't mark the name to be a JVM, the age to be a JVM field, and we mark the name to be a JVM field. And when we see the Kotlin bytecode, it basically remove the private constructor from the field and directly expose it to the compiler basically. So for example, if we mark the age to be a JVM field, then it basically do the same thing for the age variable. So it basically remove, make it public to make it public the age and name, and it also has the getter and setter function, I think. Okay, so no, when we mark it a JVM field, then it don't going to have any get or set value. So for example, let's test it. Okay, yes, so we cannot get the mm, get or set value directly, so we have to call age. You can call it, we if you make it a function. Okay, it is not giving any compilation error, so why it is happening? Okay, get name. Okay, make it a variable, so it basically convert it to a function, and if we call this, it is working fine. Fine. Yes, so basically we can call with a operator, or we can directly call it. So why it basically giving me a compilation error? I'm not sure. Okay, why? Person. Okay, so it is giving a comparison error. Okay, not a statement. Okay, fine. Int x equal to percentage. Okay, fine. Okay, it just want me to string name equal to this. Fine. Okay, yes. So basically, this is the case. Fine. Okay, if we want to make it a no, it's not right actually. So we cannot use the calling resist to access the property. We directly access the property by using the JVM field. Basically, this is the case. Okay, so when you write the JVM field, it's internally it making it this field to be a public field, and we directly access this without any getter and setter basically. Fine, great. Okay guys, if you like this video, like this, if you want to subscribe it, you can subscribe it. If you learn something new, then you can again like this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.